Cock-a-doodle-doo, all my COQ INU holders out there. We're going to be covering Core, COQ INU, Base, Aerodrome, AXGT, and a few other altcoins here. And major updates for all these coins are happening right now. So let's jump right into it, guys. You can see here, Core up 60% right behind me. You must be thinking, what is this thing? Let's jump right into it, guys. But first, 70% of you guys watching are not subscribing. We need to fix that, guys. Hit that subscribe, hit that like if you haven't already. Also, over here, Blockchain Crusader on X, Twitter, BChain at BChain Crusader. Go make sure you hit me a follow over there as well. So let's jump right into it. Core, what is it? 62% in one day, 263% in a week. What is going on here? What is this thing? Where is it coming from? Well, if you guys have been paying attention, I've been talking to you guys about Bitcoin layer 2s, about Bitcoin ecosystem growing. And this is where Core comes in, right? So as you guys can see here, market cap is 3 billion right now. Circulating supply 41%. What is it? Bitcoin powered EM compatible blockchain that combines delegated proof of work and delegated proof of stake. Very, very important. As you can see here, the blockchain on Bitcoin is being built out more and more and more every single day. They're making smart contracts. They're building out Bitcoin's ecosystem. Very important. So why did it surge 200%? Here's what's driving the price. A huge endorsement has come out from Toshi's lab. This endorsement highlighted the involvement of over 100 institutional, keyword, institutional investment funds planning to purchase and hold Core in the current year, instilling confidence in investors and attracting more attention to this project. Bitcoin already has the institutional blessing, right? We have the ETFs coming out here and purchasing Bitcoin every single day. Now the ecosystem is getting institutional attention. Very important. Why I've been telling you guys to keep an eye on Bitcoin's ecosystem. But up next, what do we got? That's right, Base ecosystem, number 5 category up today. And you must be wondering why that's happening. Well, you obviously all know a lot about Base ecosystem meme coins popping up. But what else is happening on Base? That's right, record high DEX volume surpassing 1 billion. That is huge. That is huge. Even though most of the activity took on Uniswap, right, 64% of the volume there, it was followed by Aerodrome Finance at 9.7 and SharkSwap at 7.8. Aerodrome Finance is the big key player here for Base on its DEXs. If we jump over to DeFi Llama, Base TVL has been exploding since mid to end of February. All of March has been exploding. As you can see up here, massive growth going to TVLs. We're seeing this because of high Ethereum gas fees. We're seeing this because there's a lot more development happening on Base with meme coins and DeFi in general. And guess what? Aerodrome, number 1 DEX, up 30% in the last 7 days, right? TVL, 530 million on Base Chain. And if you guys still don't know what Base Chain is, it's Coinbase's network, right? Just how Binance has BNB and the Binance Smart Chain, Coinbase now has its network. It just doesn't have a token, right? There's no Base token, but there is a network that Coinbase is supporting, which is the Base network, which is doing a lot of different things. And if you guys haven't checked out my tutorial on how to get onto Base Chain, link is going to be right above here right now. Make sure you go check that out. But obviously, next is Aerodrome, right? Up 183% on the month. Printing money, baby. Only at 219 million market cap right now. And we jump over here, Aerodrome, you can see here, same thing, right? As Base has started growing up, look as this thing's TVL just exploding. More and more money. This is why it's important when you jump into these new ecosystems that you identify the key DEXs, the key institutional DeFi players, right? And Aerodrome is one of those key players when it comes to DeFi and being a DEX. So Aerodrome is going to be printing some money, just my opinion, right? But up next, everybody wants to talk about it. Cock-a-doodle-doo, what's going on? It's down 10% today, going a little limp here, but let's jump right into it. As you guys can see, we've been in this range with a value area high of 56, 62, 5 zeros in the front. We have not been able to get past that. We lived above that very short period of time. And then the point of control is sitting down here at 43.38. We had a nice little double bottom situation happening here from a previous all-time high candle, right? At 39.00, at 39.00 with five zeros in the front. So we're back above the all-time high, which is good. Cock-a-doodle-doo, COQ INU is just kind of ranging here, which is good because look at this, right? We had a massive range down here for many months. 77 days we ranged up down here before we broke out, which is very important for COQ INU to then do something similar. Not saying it's going to take 77 more days, but I'm just saying this ranging is building a foundational level for the price action. so they can build support here before continuously moving up. So overall, I am still bullish on this. Obviously, it's a high risk play. It's a meme coin, but it is the largest meme coin on AVAX, and AVAX Foundation is backing up its meme coins by investing into it, and COQ INU is getting a subnet. So there is an announcement for COQ INU here. GoGo Protocol DAO purchases $60,000 worth of COQ INU after assessing the community's innovations and importance to the overall expansion of Avalanche, with COQNet, right, which is their subnet, being around the corner. COQ INU is poised to revolutionize the meme space and redefine the meme coin utility, which is very, very important, which is why I'm bullish on this thing, even though it is a high-risk play and a meme coin. It's trying to make itself grow past the meme coin phase into actual real utility, which is why I'm very bullish on this. So last but not least, AXGT, AXON DAO, baby, decentralized science, another big giver here, another big player in the new categories and narratives of crypto. We had a nice bounce off the value area high of this previous range that we were in. We came back down. We fell out of this high range that we were up here when we reached almost $1. We broke through some critical levels, and now we're finding a bottom here, which is around the same value area high of this previous range that was at. So we're finding support around that 39 to 40 cent area, which is very good, right, in the short term. Also in the short term, something to take a look at is we're building here kind of a, downward trend. We're having, high, lower, right, which is not good in the short term either. But we are being held above here. So we're coming to an apex. At some point, we're going to have to break up or break down. AXON DAO, decentralized science, probably the biggest decentralized science project right now. And if you believed in this narrative, then you definitely think AXON DAO is going to, I don't think AXON DAO is going to disappear here anytime soon. This ecosystem is just getting started. Very, very important. So when will we see this? We don't know. It could play out for a couple of more days, maybe later part towards closer to April. Look, even up to April 5th, we could still be in this downward trend. So for the next month, we could still be here. We could still be here in this range, but that's okay. This thing has been exploding in price action, exploding. We're finally having its first real retracement, rebuilding a foundational level down here before the next move up. And I do believe that it will have another move up, whether it happens here or it happens later or some other time in the bull market. Decentralized science is one of the largest narratives in crypto, and it's one of the new ones too. So I think it's very, very bullish. They're working with NVIDIA AI. There's a lot of cool things happening with AXON DAO. I'm bullish on it long term. So guys, until next time, if you haven't smashed those likes, hit that subscribe just yet. Go do so right now. Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains. See ya.